Hey there, y'all. We're back over here. Got my Cat 305 over here, Mini X. Kind of moving stuff around my wood shop. It's not very big, but we're in Florida. Like, firewood ain't huge, but I've been selling firewood like since I started like 8 years ago. I always have. In fact, that was my first position in tree service. I've only worked for one other company ever, and it was moving firewood and like splitting it and whatnot with a front end loader. And so I still do it. It's not really about the money. It's just because I like to do it. And the wood was taking up really the whole area here. And I've been here for like 45 minutes moving stuff, getting a lane. So I might grade out some of this dirt and what's left of like mulch. And I still have a few logs left to move. So I figured I'd just make a video about it. So check it out. If I can help in any way, you guys have questions about the machine or the industry, give me a holler anytime. I'm here to help. So this is what I'm talking about. It's kind of uneven, and like I said, I'm like moving some of this over to this side, and we have a truck coming in. We have a big tree job the guys are on today, so I'm gonna kind of flatten this out for them and maybe move even some of this. Needs to go a little bit further back. This is like the newer wood, we're rotating it. This is older stuff we haven't split yet. This is newer wood too. That's fine where it is, but we have some like desirable wood back here, cedar and cypress, and then tons of oak. So that's usually what we handle over here. right, so I got about a clear lane over here. I'm basically wide open, but I'm gonna settle this out a little more. There's a lot of like leftover scraps from like selling wood throughout the year. This isn't very desirable stuff, and this is kind of how it breaks down. It's almost like a mulch. Everything from bigger chunks to like dust and dirt. So I'm gonna work it a little bit more. You guys check it out. Oh, that's what we got. Cleared the whole entryway here so my trailer can back up, bring us more wood. Thanks for tuning in, man. Give me a subscribe, give me a follow. Again, that's a Cat 305. If you guys need any advice, whether it's firewood, bulk lumber sales, running the Mini X, hit me up. Appreciate it.